Every single day, billions of people scroll, search, compare, and buy online. But have you ever stopped to think why you see that exact ad at that exact moment? That is the power of digital marketing. It is no longer just a nice skill to have. It is the absolute most important skill for businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs to survive and win online. Marketing used to rely strictly on traditional methods like TV commercials, newspaper ads, and massive billboards. But traditional marketing has a massive flaw. It requires a huge upfront investment, and it is nearly impossible to track your exact return on investment. You can never accurately measure how many people actually bought your product simply because they saw your billboard. Digital marketing changes everything. It is completely data-driven, heavily targeted, and highly cost-effective. You do not need millions of dollars to get started. You can launch targeted ad campaigns with a daily budget of just $5 to $30. The architecture of digital marketing revolves around a basic customer funnel: reach, interact, convert, and engage. To aggressively move customers through this funnel, digital marketers deploy a few highly specific channels. First is SEO, or search engine optimization. This is the practice of ranking your website at the very top of Google without paying for clicks. SEO is a slow process that can take 3 to 6 months to kick in, but it generates highly valuable long-term organic traffic. It relies on 3 main pillars. On-page SEO involves optimizing your website content with specific keywords, meta titles, and image alt tags. Off-page SEO builds your website's authority by earning backlinks from other highly trusted relevant websites. Technical SEO ensures search engine crawlers can actually read your site, utilizing tools like XML sitemaps and optimizing mobile page speed. If a business needs immediate results, they use SEM, or search engine marketing. Using platforms like Google Ads, you pay to skip the organic line and appear at the very top of the search results. This operates on a CPC, or cost per click model. You only pay Google when a user actually clicks your link. Google Ads allows you to run text-based search ads, display banners on third-party websites, shopping ads for physical products, and video ads. On YouTube, you can run skippable video ads that are dirt cheap for building massive brand awareness, or short 6-second bumper ads for quick, punchy messaging. Next is social media marketing. Meta dominates the visual space. You can run photo, video, or carousel ads across Facebook and Instagram to engage users directly in their feeds. TikTok is currently the absolute powerhouse for product discovery. On TikTok, authenticity beats high production value every time. The best performing ads look exactly like normal, organic, native content. If you're a B2B company, LinkedIn ads are your ultimate weapon. They allow you to target decision makers based on their exact job title, industry, and company size. Finally, we have content and email marketing. The traditional marketing mix has evolved into the SAVE framework: solution, access, value, and education. Modern brands win by creating content that educates consumers rather than just aggressively pushing promotions. Email marketing then captures these users and sends highly personalized offers directly to their inboxes, retaining them and building loyalty over time. Here's the real secret weapon of digital marketing: advanced data tracking combined with artificial intelligence. Marketers use URL codes called UTM parameters, or urchin tracking modules, to perfectly trace a buyer's journey. If you click a sponsored link, that UTM parameter tells Google Analytics exactly which ad campaign generated the sale. On your website, tracking codes called pixels watch a user's exact behavior. If a customer adds a product to their cart but leaves without paying, the pixel allows the brand to hit them with a remarketing ad across the internet until they finally pull out their wallet. Furthermore, AI is completely disrupting the space. Marketers are using AI tools like ChatGPT to generate multiple variations of ad copy, and automated systems like Performance Max to distribute advertising budgets across the web perfectly. Because of AI chat engines, traditional SEO is now shifting into search everywhere optimization, as AI bots scrape data from Reddit, LinkedIn, and blogs to instantly answer user questions. To protect your site's reputation in this new era, you must avoid black hat SEO tactics like keyword stuffing or buying fake backlinks, which will violently spike your spam score and get your website blacklisted by Google. Digital marketing completely levels the playing field. A local shop can now compete directly with global brands. The targeting capabilities are incredibly precise. You can choose to show an ad exclusively to doctors inside a specific PIN code. You eliminate wasted ad spend and only pay to reach the exact audience that matters to your bottom line. Digital platforms, trends, and algorithms will constantly evolve. But the ability to understand human behavior and craft data-driven strategies is what truly sets expert marketers apart. Build your funnel, rigorously track your metrics, constantly test your creatives, and aggressively scale what works. That is exactly how you turn a simple idea into a massive online brand.